All right, how are you guys? Sorry about that. Yeah, I don't know what happened. I lost my the stream crashed. I don't know what happened. All right, how are you guys? Sorry about that. All right, so uh-oh. All right, so what's up? Um, this is Hey Sandor, how are you? You know, the Dash 2 trade token went live. Uh, let's see how much uh, are we making? Uh, all right, so how are you guys? Let's look for more setups. Woo woo! Thank you, Godspeed Freeman. Yeah, we are going to see what happens with it. All right, so um, yeah, let's look for more setups. This is still looking very good. Uh, the Nasdaq, right? The Nasdaq trade. The reason that it's still looking very good, guys, is because of this. I mean, if you notice, the Nasdaq keeps making higher highs, but it's very choppy, right? It's very choppy. So really, just waiting for this liquidity to be taken out right here, and then rumba. All right, so I'm gonna make the video for gold. Gold is the same fucking thing, right? Now, the cool thing about gold is this. Now, let's focus on price action itself. All right. So, basically, first, this is the uh, this is the last higher low, right? Why? It's not this one. Well, it could be this. No, this is the last higher low. It's not this one. It's not this one. It's not this one. It's not this one. Why I'm looking for the last higher low? Because I am looking for that change in the character of this market. Right here. Here's where the market changes its character from bearish to bullish. No, from bullish to bearish. Right. So why is this the last low? Uh, could be actually this one right here. Uh, yes, this is the one. Now, why am I looking for the last low? Because Yeah, I want to pinpoint the change of the character in this market. Right. Why? It's important to pick the correct low. It's not this one right here. It's not this one, and definitely not this one. It's neither one of them. Thank you, Advanced Life. Now, why is this one? Because this is the last higher low before the last higher high, right? This is where demand was created that created the break of the structure, right here, the last sweep of the highs. Now, it's important to notice this because this is the last sweep of the highs, guys. I mean, it's all about reading price action, all right? Now, this is the last sweep of the highs right here. And this is where that demand zone failed, right? Changing the character on this market. Now, because the market changed its character, now we're looking for shorts, right? And what do we have here? With that, we have that fair value gap or that imbalance. We do have a little one here, but it really doesn't fucking matter. I am looking at that one. Oh boy. This, my friends, is just a buy side liquidity. Just a buy side liquidity that I am waiting for price to sweep, right? And again, this is just it. This is it. That's my setup, right? That's my fucking setup. And I am targeting, guys. I am targeting the higher time frame. Lows. Could be targeting. I'm targeting these lows around these lows, right? Yeah, that's pretty much it. Mhm. So if you have any questions about the way that I trade or anything at all, just go ahead and ask. Come on, NASDAQ, stop playing around. So I'm gonna record the video and then we're going to look for more. Uh-huh. Uh, all right. Uh, uh, right. Allergies. Sorry, guys. Uh, I'm also looking to but you know what? I'll record a video doing that, claiming my dash to trade tokens. And I'd rather do a video about that. Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna focus on your questions, please, guys. Whilst I record the video, I'm gonna do a I'm gonna do a very long session today, live session today, guys. Just hanging around, drinking coffee. All right, guys, how are you? Why don't we talk about this gold long short? I'm sorry. So basically, what I'm looking at here is this: gold has been very choppy, right, for the past couple of sessions. Well, kind of couple of sessions, a ton of sessions. Well, it doesn't matter. It has been very choppy. Um, and what I like about the short side here is this. Now, gold does swept with the highs, and then again here, swept with the highs above that London Open. This is the last sweep of the highs. And then looking at the demand zone that created that last sweep of the highs, this one right here. Um, I'm not drawing anything on my chart. Don't you think about that. That demand zone failed right here, changing the character in this market from bullish in the immediate term to bearish. So we're looking for shorts, right? Now, are we going to trade, jump into the market, trading the breakout here? No, fuck no. We're not going to do that. What we're going to do is we're going to wait for price to liquidate this weak short right here, stripping that liquidity. And my entry is at the village of that imbalance. Remember, I trade market inefficiencies. My stop losses are just above that base on the upside, targeting, my friends, these lows on the higher time frames. Right. So that's my trade. Any questions? You go ahead and do it. All right. Now this is gold. We're going to have. Couldn't find US 100 on my. All right. That's a good question. So what you need to do, me, hijo de puta. Hold on. I need to. Thank God that I did do it here. Terminal. I need to. All right. 300. Whoa. 11. 300. I'm gonna show you. Just give me a second. Right. 10. Please. And trading order. Uh, all right, I'm gonna show you. Uh, So here it is. Right. Uh, Different brokers carry different CFDs. Right. Now, for example, this broker, which is the one that tracks all of our VIP signals, there's no US 100. The NASDAQ is the NDX 100. Just go ahead, go to your, first of all, right click here and click on show all. So it'll show you all the markets that you can trade, right? Then just go to the area where all the equities are and look for the NASDAQ CFD. It's that simple, mate. It's that simple. Let's see. Uh, Simple and no big complicated drawings. Thank you, Master. Excellent analysis. Thank you, mate. Thank you. Uh, no need to have all those complicated stuff. Good, good. On your chart. If you're waiting for the gold short entry while now gold is at 1872, why don't we trade it up to that price? Thank Orlando. Welcome. You know what? That's a good question. Because there is no Joey Joe, because there's no setup, right? First of all, I trade with a trend, right? Second, there is no setup. Now, and third, my friend, this is a game about probability. So the what I'm looking for is that setup short, right? So, but but there is just some. I mean, the probability for price to hit my short level and trigger me in is high, right? Is high. But I'm not going to trade the upside just because I'm thinking, or no, I'm not going to trade the upside just because my entry is all the way up here. That's not how you make money in the market. You make money in the market long term by taking the best highest probability setups, not trading what you would think it's going to happen. Please, how can participate in this VIP discount, sir? Oh, pretty simple. Thank you for reminding me. If you want to have a discount, just go here. This is the sales page, and you can use this code to have a 25% discount code, a discount on the VIP groups. January 25 is the code. I think that it will not take the entry on both because unlucky because the analysis was perfect. Hope I'm wrong. Yeah, I don't know. Sometimes, price is not going to get to your entries. That's why, I don't trade the upside in gold just because I think that my entry is higher. But also, I mean, this is a game about probabilities, and with the edge that I have on the market, um, um, is mathematical, right? So I have to stay true to my entry model. All right, so I haven't seen the economic calendar. Let's go to Forex Factory. Crude oil inventories in about 20 what? 23 minutes. Yeah, pretty slow day. Uh-huh. Let's have a look at crude. A crude oil, not treasuries. U.S. oil. Oh boy. Well, have a look at this. We might have a good short, good long entry in gold here. Mm-mm. Way, way. So, let's have a look. I take my entries on the three. Yes, this is looking very good. So let's do that analysis in crude oil. I'm not gonna place a pending order in this market since we have crude oil inventories, and I really don't trade crude oil myself. I haven't back tested my entry model in this market, mate. So I don't trade it. Now, uh, structure breaks here. Hold on. Structure breaks here. Bad boy. Yeah, sure. I can have a look at the Euro NZD for you. Uh, Crude oil, I said. Yeah. So basically, yeah, I thought so. I thought so. I thought so. Uh-huh. There you go. So, yeah, this is what I'm looking for. Not looking for, but looking at. Com tons of tons of imbalances here. So this is just liquidity. You agree with me? Right here. Uh, Yeah, but we need to wait the real. Uh, if I were to trade the long side here, my entry would be here. Stop losses just below the Asian session lows, targeting the highs. This would be my entry, 6.3 R. We're going to wait and see what happens, right? With this one. I don't trade crude oil, remember? Oh, all right. All right. So, any questions, guys? Because if you have a question, I don't see much going on. I don't trade crude oil, so there's no need to go wait for that particular, news. Let's see the Dow and the S&P 500. All very slow. The Russell 2000. Oh boy, the Russell was the one that I should have taken. So here it is. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Right here. So this was this was the Russell setup that I had. Right now running at 5.5 R. Yeah, I mean, I can't play the 5 minute chart, mate. I can't place, buy limits in every single one of the markets that I'm looking to trade. That's insane. Pound yen, pound yen, super choppy. I'm not I got stopped out of the rest of my shorts here, which is fine, right? But this is the thing, guys. This market has me too choppy, right? I'm not looking to trade the pound yen unless it breaks with this highs right here or this lows right here. So I'm not interested in this market, right? Now, having said that, the Japanese yen basket broke with the lows. That is quite interesting, right? The Japanese yen basket breaking with the lows. Go ahead here on the hourly. Breaking with the lows right here, this hourly lows. This is quite interesting, right? Now, could be a fakie, could not be a fakie, who the fuck knows? But you know what, we need clear direction in the Japanese yen basket before even looking at the pound yen, right? That's just crazy. The DXY, it's looking very fucking bearish, super bearish on the hourly. And it has been dumping since the highs in May. I mean, the entire year. I mean, we are in still in January 11th, but it has been dumping, so that's quite the difficult thing to swallow. Right. One last time, Euro NZD. What are you looking at on the Euro NZD again? Super choppy market here. Um, yeah. We do have a very big level here, the 170 level or so, 169.95 level. Very strong level to the upside. All right, so the USD, right? Um, I hate it, but you know what? Let's have a look at what can, could, and would could be done. Now, very clean uptrend, right? In the short term, personally speaking, I would look at this imbalance right here for possible entries. Of course, that I don't know the equilibrium in this market yet because I don't know if this is the new high. Mm, But yeah, I would be looking for this zone as my entry. Stop losses below the London lows. That would be my go-to long for the time being. I mean, if you jump in long here, you're going to get fucked because you already missed the move. Right, so that's me, guys. If you are a VIP, I am going to send you updates on my trades. If you're not going to get them. Thank you for joining me, and have a good trading week. Cheers.